All right, let's talk about this set of 4 Narex woodworking chisels. Now, Narex is known as a very, very high quality brand, especially when you consider the price that you pay. These chisels are very good. Now, let me walk you through the 4-pack here. So, the 4-pack includes, for starters, a 6mm or 1/4 inch chisel. It includes a 12mm or 1/2 inch chisel. It includes a 20-inch or, let's see, that'd be 3/4 inch chisel. And then, sorry, I always get this last one wrong. This is the 26-inch or 1 1/16 inch chisel. So you get like an extra 1/16 of an inch on this. Now you're going to use this mainly for making grooves. This is not to replace a hand plane. This would be used to make grooves. Narex is a very well-known brand. They make these chisels from chrome manganese steel, and then they harden them. So that's kind of why that they last well. I haven't kept mine in great condition. I could polish them up, and I really should, frankly. I don't use them as much as I used to, but they are of fantastic quality. The hand works in terms of how the ergonomic nature of the way the hand grip works. Obviously, you can use these by hand, or if you want to, you can pound, I'd say lightly, with a hammer here to achieve what you want to on a chiseling standpoint. Overall, how they recommend, and you can see that they're very, very well regarded.